This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon fry easy method. Pat salmon fillets dry, season simply, and preheat a heavy skillet until shimmering. Add a thin layer of oil, place fillet skin side down, and press gently for a minute to prevent curling. Cook until edges turn opaque, then flip briefly to finish. Rest for a few minutes, then serve with a squeeze of lemon and a simple side. In this video, I will show how to make salmon fry easy method. Season with salt and pepper first, then add gentle supporting flavors like garlic powder or smoked paprika. A small pinch of sugar balances richness without sweetness. After cooking, add fresh dill, parsley, or a lemon wedge to brighten the dish. These tiny touches elevate a simple fry into a flavorful meal that feels both quick and thoughtful for any weeknight. In this video, I will show how to make salmon fry easy method. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep cooked salmon fresh and tidy for lunches. They save time, prevent spills, and make portioning effortless when you want a speedy weeknight meal or packed lunch. If you find this useful, subscribe and like for more tips, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make salmon fry easy method. Heat the pan until hot but not smoking, then reduce slightly before adding fish to control browning. Cook skin side down most of the time to render fat and crisp skin, flipping only once near the end to finish. Keep an eye on thickness and aim for just opaque center. Let the fillet rest briefly so juices settle for a moist bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.